Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Menteri Ramba ke Jylla ukon raki sangma rengkat ke sendalang jung sembut Menteri Ramba upet ya ketrat kampo yeng ba preston tensong haga khat atrik unailar arajar phusa kali banyak kendo yo Amit Shah ubru Menteri jung Sorkar India ubakmi ya ketrat kampo yeng ban pinsngau hu haga bede bagajing penklan ya gajing Pahara Khappud jong kari India bat Bangladesh namar gajing ki bajur hakri Bangladesh. Hau kurwa balapha shikla pathai kubor konra sangma ulit ho bolapan Shuh I bor Pahara ban Ïada ga Khappud na gajing wanrong bea jing minder negeri Bangladesh.
Today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces, and at the same time the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honorable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honorable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.